Ever struggled to hear your music on a noisy commute? City sounds, chatter, and traffic ruining your playlist? Or maybe you're working from home with distractions everywhere? Calls sound muffled. Background noise interrupts important meetings. Frustrating, right? You just want clear, immersive sound. Introducing the Sony WH-1000XM5 premium noise-canceling headphones. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Industry-leading noise cancellation blocks out the world. Dual processors control 8 microphones for unbeatable silence. No more outside noise, just pure, uninterrupted music. Hear every detail, every beat, every lyric crystal clear. Need to take calls on the go? 4 beamforming microphones pick up your voice perfectly. Advanced audio processing means you sound professional anywhere. No more repeating yourself or struggling to be heard. Before, straining to hear, missing details, constant interruptions. After, total focus, clear calls, music like never before. Battery anxiety? Not with the WH-1000XM5. Enjoy up to 30 hours of playback on one charge. In a rush? 3 minutes of charging gives 3 hours use. Perfect for long trips, busy days, or quick errands. Worried about comfort during long listening sessions? Soft fit leather and lightweight design mean all-day wear. No pressure, no discomfort, just pure enjoyment. Style matters too. These headphones look as good as they sound. Touch controls put everything at your fingertips. Pause, play, skip tracks, adjust volume with a simple tap. Activate Alexa or answer calls without reaching for your phone. Convenience and control right on your ear. Let's compare. Old headphones versus Sony WH-1000XM5. Old, constantly adjusting, fiddling with buttons, battery dying. Sony. Effortless control, long battery, total immersion. Old. Noise leaks in, music fades, calls unclear. Sony. Silence outside, rich sound inside, crisp calls. Old. Ear pain after an hour, heavy and bulky. Sony. Light, soft, comfortable all day long. Old. Charging panic before heading out. Sony. Quick charge, ready when you are. Old. Missing your favorite part of a song. Sony. Hear every note, every time. Whether you're commuting, working, or relaxing, the Sony WH-1000XM5 adapts to your lifestyle. Auto NC Optimizer adjusts noise canceling based on your environment. From busy streets to quiet offices, always perfect sound. Hands-free calling means you never miss a beat. Alexa voice control brings smart convenience to your routine. Just ask, and your headphones respond instantly. Music enthusiasts, experience sound like the artist intended. Remote workers, take calls anywhere, distraction-free. Commuters, escape the noise, enjoy your journey. No more tangled wires, Bluetooth freedom is here. Integrated processor V1 delivers stunning audio clarity. Every genre, every podcast, every call sounds better. Stay focused, stay connected, stay comfortable. Why settle for less when you can have the best? Upgrade your audio experience with Sony WH-1000XM5. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with long battery life. Enjoy the comfort that makes you forget you're wearing them. Enjoy the control that puts you in charge. It's not just headphones, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Ready to transform your daily routine? Say goodbye to distractions and discomfort. Say hello to immersive sound and effortless calls. Make every moment sound amazing. Sony WH-1000XM5. Hear the difference. Feel the comfort. Enjoy the silence. Take control of your music, your calls, your day. Don't wait. Upgrade to Sony WH-1000XM5 now. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Experience industry-leading noise cancellation today. Discover the power of premium sound. Click to get yours and elevate your listening experience.